Yeah. My come and never sleep on me. Eyes on my chain, so you know I go get it. What you looking at, fool? 너의 눈 허리 멍청했고 find your comfort from another, yeah. I go low like undercover, yeah. Wanna know my name, 죽지 않은 일은 위에 부어버려 기름. Yes, you can even guess me, cause I'm baby. High low 확실해, not like maybe. Level lemon, welcome to my palace. 찾지 않아 Alice, you just keep on wondering. You just keep on wonder, 찾지 않아 Alice, but 너의 memory. I just pop a bin, then it have been. 나는 걸어 Boeing 747, I get weak, get ready. Like that, I wanna get late. 준비해 빨리, we ain't got a lot of time, man. Wavy night, Jameson hit the rock bottom. 잃어버린 정신 머리.
What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome back into my channel. Welcome in to my channel. Me and hubby channel, Behind the Scenes with Sweet Angel and Mike. Y'all, I just want to show you how I satisfy my sweet tooth in a healthy sort of kind of way. This is my matcha lemonade. So I yesterday had blended up some matcha. You know, I put in some hot water and kind of blended it around to get all the lumps and bumps out. But today I'm making my lemonade. So you see, I'm taking me some Simply Earth lemonade. Right now I'm just trying to get the part that was kind of stuck at the bottom of the little cup out of that. Simple as this, matcha and simply lemonade. Okay, when it comes to the matcha, I am using the ultra premium ceremonial organic matcha from the Reserve. This is a green, clean source of caffeinated energy, and I love that. It helps to boost my immunity and also boost metabolism. And it has high levels of antioxidants and EGCG. This is my favorite matcha. So all I have to do is put in a half teaspoon or a teaspoon of the matcha green tea into my lemonade, and baby, you're talking about a sweet treat. If you haven't tried this, you might want to try it if you're wanting to try matcha because of all of its amazing benefits. This is a great way to consume it. So I just wanted to share my little secret with y'all. Okay, that's it. That's all. I'm out of here, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me right here on Behind the Scenes. I'll see y'all on upcoming videos. So stick and stay by subscribing, and please drop a like on this video and share it with a friend. I'll see you soon. Toodles.
Yeah. My come and never sleep on me. Eyes on my chain, so you know I go get it. What you looking at, fool? 너의 눈 허리 멍청했고 find your comfort from another, yeah. I go low like undercover, yeah. Wanna know my name, 죽지 않은 일은 위에 부어버려 기름. Yes, you can even guess me, cause I'm baby. High low 확실해, not like maybe. Level lemon, welcome to my palace. 찾지 않아 Alice, you just keep on wondering. You just keep on wonder, 찾지 않아 Alice, but 너의 memory. I just pop a bin, then it have been. 나는 걸어 Boeing 747, I get weak, get ready. Like that, I wanna get late. 준비해 빨리, we ain't got a lot of time, man. Wavy night, Jameson hit the rock bottom. 잃어버린 정신 머리들.